All right, we're in the first full week of February here for the 2011 session, and today a bunch of advocates met to discuss the kinds of things that we've been hearing and what we want to be working on in the next week. We have seen introduction of some bills that are of deep concern to us about putting onerous requirements on the safety net. I think the hope here is that actually fewer people will use services or become ineligible because of some new rules. But they're only introduced, they haven't been heard, so we're just aware of them and we'll be watching. A couple of key things that are going to happen this week. On Tuesday, the House Health and Human Services Reform Committee is going to be looking at the MA medical assistance expansion that's allowed under federal law, and the Department of Human Services will be presenting on how quickly they can enroll people in the new expanded federal Medicaid program. So that's good, and we'll be there both to learn and to listen to what questions are being raised. We've also been spending a lot of time out in the field talking to people about tax fairness, tax justice. Last time I talked about the price of government. This card we've been distributing to show tax fairness, and if you're interested in knowing more, contact our office. We'll get these cards to you, and you'll also see we've already done some blogs on the tax incidence, which is the tax incidence study, which is the data that you see on this card. We're happy to provide these to you. And then lastly, Wednesday will be a big day. At noon, Governor Mark Dayton gives the State of the State address in the House chamber, and he will be laying out his vision for what he wants to see happen with the state budget and to move the state forward. So we'll be listening carefully to see what is his plan to solve this huge budget shortfall. And then next week on the 15th, which is Tuesday, he'll release his budget, the actual budget document. And then 2 days later, on the 17th, Thursday, is our Day on the Hill. So I would urge everybody to register for Day on the Hill like right now, because it's filling up and we want you there, and we are in a perfect position to bolster the governor's position, those things that we like, and to critique the things that we don't like, because we're just positioned wonderfully 2 days after the release of the budget. So hope to see you at Day on the Hill on Thursday, February 17th.